Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamda kasngi. Unong yalam FKJGP uba dondi khongsit ulapan pawe ka jing bom sngotenan ya garai jong ka jing yalang ki menteri rangba ka Assam bat Meghalaya ban wengno ye ki pulit na baro Arjilan ki jaka ye ka Japun bat bo bujrino da ki CRPF. Uba dondi sngotenat satya ya kani karai jong Chief Minister ka Assam bat Meghalaya ban wengno ye ki pulit ka jila bat bo da ki CRPF namar ka CRPF kadai ka bahap hapo ka jing penya jong ka sarkar BJP bat kani kanong ka jing ai kabu ya ka sarkar BJP ka Assam hapo ka jing yalam Himanta Biswa. Bensngo President ka FKJGP udawa juri ka sarkar ba kamdai ban wengi ki pulit ka Meghalaya na ki border outpost na ka benta ka jingsngan bat ka bha ka miat jong ki nong shongshnong ka jilla ulaong. Ha ka sisa jan Menteri Rangba ka jilla Konrad Kisangma ulayathu ba ka jingyalang ki Arjila kalapan pau ya ka jing sngokhya halor ka jingmi ki jingkenan ha block 1 bat ka than khanduli psiar ki badon ha khappud ka West Jantia Hills bat Karbi Anglong. Menteri Rangba open tip bagi arteli ki jilla kila rai ban bu no daki Central Reserve Police Force CRPF kum kabor pahara kabom yasha aliang haki jaka badon jing ya kajia.
Man bu hi ya ki CRP apa border ban urban no state police ngatrai man kade ki jing pakla ka misdiagnose ko man masukran no yang di jing pangai matakaw ai dawai pangkapo ai dawai pangkhali asukran no tar komno ba ai dawai sekitar komtet. Kalau mau pinang teh petrol so kading mami. CRP untuk itu communication fail ada lupa. Jadi kita state police, but ki mau ki high rank officer nak yang police department, hamala ki state kata kalau banyarap man. Jadi nama CRP only additional force. Lah kadang-kadang kalau ada problem undang nu additional force. Hari namta kayak pe guarantee. Kesakar asamu kadi belek unjuk kesakar magalia di belek unjuk bo lagi beli ke bala banyak namno kadang kata communication interaction ke papaka prinsipki jadi benbu CRP tengah awai mat ada kata merupa advice ne kata man you kemu belek ke border issue tu mantep
makanya kadi hak tu jinglang men sing sajai pada lompo buat TV kiran wa arno alam nama kan
it seems the government of Meghalaya is succumbing to the
mostly of the report, mostly of the committee have not yet been completed. They fully when on kata I will not say because why I don't want misquoted that even us we look down our own CM. So actually if it is like that also I think Chief Minister should not allow the Chief Minister of Assam to dictate because he has been elected as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So he should address the issue as a Chief Minister of Meghalaya, not to compromise with regards to the interests of our states.
But don't you see in this decision it is just a tactic?
As per our finding, mostly the design that has been the designer are from the government of Assam only with regards to the state boundary issues. They try to push their own people. Even in some area which are not, there's no, it's not a conflict area. But if send their own people, they're trying to create all these things. But what I do have is, as per the discussion of the boundary issues, I think the government, through the expert committee, should have done a lot. They first and foremost, they should take the people residing in that border areas into consideration. That is the priority. Because suppose if we have our land, vacant land, around 10 acres, 20 acres, no resident out there. But suppose the residential out there are other community. So I think it will be a burden and it will be a liabilities. If, okay fine, we don't want to compromise our land, but but all those inhabitants out in that area are from other communities. That is what on behalf of myself I've seen. But suppose it might be a land which have true documents. The Assam is rightfully claimed for that area, but most of the residents are people out there. So the government should negotiate in that terms only. That is what I I can give suggestion from my end.
So you are asking the
Totally, I spare my some sort of suggestion, so as to say. It is unwise if the government trying to remove our own state police force, either from the government of Assam or either from the government of Meghalaya, but to put there with the central force. So this is some sort of suggestion, but I put under the wisdom of the state government how to address this.